The normal probate process can take anywhere from 9 to 12 months. A petition for your support can be over and done within 60 to 90 days. I am Lexi Desilets. I am a probate paralegal here at Nelson Elder Care Law, and we handle probating wills, probating estates without wills, and handling year support petitions. When someone passes without a will and they have a spouse and kids, technically the spouse is only legally entitled to a third of the assets going through the estate. If you don't get along with your children or their stepchildren or a number of situations, you don't really want to own your home joint with somebody's 4 children that may not be yours. A petition for your support is a good cure to that, because then the judge can go ahead and just sign over your deceased spouse's half of the house, or even the whole house if that's your home and that's where you live, without having to deed it out to children that may or may not sign it back over to you when probate is done. We had a client whose child didn't agree with her taking on the home alone because her deceased spouse was the breadwinner. So her child felt like she couldn't afford to keep up the house and he wanted it sold. If we hadn't done a petition for your support to get the home into her name, she would have had it deeded with one child who did not agree with her owning the home in the first place. A petition for your support would be perfect for anybody who needs to move a small amount of assets or make sure an asset goes to a surviving spouse and not children who want to take part in that asset.